Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create call link in WhatsApp. So first of all, you will need to update your WhatsApp. To do that, go to your Play Store and search your WhatsApp. If you see any update available, then download the update. And now open your WhatsApp and tap on calls and tap on create call link. Tap on call type and you can select video call or voice call. So right now I'm gonna select here voice call, and now you can copy your call link by pressing on copy link. You can share your link by tapping on share link and select a way to share the link. Also you can send link via WhatsApp by tapping on this first option. And if someone tap on this link, they will directly join to your call. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.